Hello, hello. I just wanted to jump on here just a minute and thank you all individually out loud for all of the donations that are being made to this East Tennessee disaster relief that I'm trying to bring to the community, some funds to help people that are literally displaced, homeless. They just need. I mean, I have never seen anything like this in my region ever. I mean, I've seen flooding here, but this is a catastrophe. Erwin, Tennessee was hit so hard that their hospital was literally taken over by water. You don't even recognize the places anymore. Crossing from Tennessee into Western North Carolina is just impossible. So many crazy things that I have seen and witnessed happened here. I never even dreamed that that could be possible. Literally, places just wiped off of the map just by water. And in the mountains, it's funny because you feel like a lot of things don't happen in the mountains, like the flooding, like tornadoes. So we don't see a lot of natural disasters here, thank goodness. But this one was absolutely unbelievable. And it is raining outside as I speak right now. And I kind of wish that would stop, but I hear another storm system is moving in. And, I'm trying to speak words of faith because I know that God has this, but at the same time, just watching the people suffer, I'm just praying that His peace, the peace that passes all understanding, will fall all over my East Tennessee area here, Western North Carolina, where my husband's family is at currently. They are just in a mess. People still don't have power. People don't have any cell service. Even in my town, the cell service is very limited. The internet is very slow. So I'm really surprised that I'm even on right now, but I wanted to update you as to what's going on in my area. A lot of shelters are open. They're asking for a lot of water donations to come in. I'm going to have an address below in the video description, my address where you can send water if you would like to do that. I also have the GoFundMe set up. Like I said, it has done far above what I dreamed was possible. That Fantastic is going to be able to help here in this area, and it's all because of you. I'm overwhelmed with the response, and I just want to come on here thanking you guys for what you have done. And I am super excited that you are giving me the extra opportunity to help in this community, and to say that the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok communities are able to help right here in my little small poor counties of Tennessee. Erwin, which is Unicoi County, was hit very hard, going all the way into Chuckey, Tennessee. And then Carter County would probably be third behind those. And then I can't even talk about Western North Carolina because I don't even know what exactly is going on up there. They're completely cut off, I believe, from the nation. The bridges are gone. And it's just, it's so overwhelming to see how quickly that your life can be changed by something that you're not even thinking is possible, right? I mean, who would have ever thought a flood in the mountains like this could occur? Because, you think, oh, I'm up on a mountain, the waters can't come up here. Well, hello, I got a wake up call. And it really has opened up my heart to what people in natural disasters go through. I'm 53 years old and I've never experienced one before. I've seen tornadoes, when I was in Ohio, we had one major one that went through there, but we're talking a strip, 5 miles long. This has gone in from state to state to state. So I've even heard today from one of the YouTubers that Bluefield, West Virginia was even hit. I did not know that until today. So to know it went from, Western North Carolina to Tennessee into Virginia, it's so many people are affected. And I just want to thank you guys for reaching out and for helping me to help them. That's all I aim to do with 100% of the funds that come in. And I just wanted to jump on here and tell you that the fund is still up. We're still collecting because this is going to be a process to bring people to, I want to say, a state of normalcy. No, I don't think so. I think that this is going to take a long years, maybe, to get back to some kind of normal. And when you think about bridges collapsing on major interstates, how long does it take to get a bridge back up? I was telling my husband today, when will we get to see his family again? Because they're on the other side of the bridges. So I don't know. And, so many people have lost their lives. Shocking. I heard today, Erwin, that I was speaking of, I heard that they have 70 people that have passed because of this system, and then 32 are missing. That is super overwhelming to me, that just because some water flows in, that it takes lives like this. So I just wanted to tell you that it's kind of just now getting sorted out. You're kind of just now seeing, okay, what's going on in this area, and kind of watch it unfold to see what is going to be useful from myself, from the funds. How are we going to be able to help move people into an area where they're comfortable, and they're trying to get the help that they need, because everybody is in shelters right now. And I believe it's the National Guard, of course, has got all of this set up, but the fire departments, the volunteer fire departments, I mean, we're talking about things that lack funding anyway. People that already are hit with inflation and living paycheck to paycheck anyway. And now here we are. I don't know. I ask that you guys who are believers pray with me about how the funds can be used to reach the most desperate, and in a way that's going to reach a lot of people and help several come up. Because I know, $5,000 is not going to touch what is going on here. But the hope is that we can touch several families some way. I don't even know how. I'm stumbling around because I don't know. I'm praying about it, and I want to just see, what the Lord unfolds, that maybe we could make a big impact somewhere, and the fantastic community can be included in that impact. God is good, and He is going to work all of this out. I know He will, and that's why I just pray for the people suffering right now. I mean, I literally had to just take a moment before church this morning and let some emotion out, because it's so overwhelming to think that my home, thanks be to God, was not touched in any way. We had some power outages. We had, slow internet now, but nothing compared to what's going on 1 mile down my road. I'm telling you, people, it has been an eye-opening experience for me, and I have a heart for everyone that is suffering, and I can't wait to get out there and help when they start opening up some roads and letting us know what's going on in there, and just see where the need is. I'm super excited. You guys know I'm a giver. I love to give, and I'm excited to. And now that you have come in on this fund and are giving with me, you cannot know how overwhelmed with gratitude that I am, and I appreciate you. Yes, my family is fine, thank the Lord. No one in my immediate family had any water damage. Nobody, suffered anything, thank the Lord. But the other people, I don't know. Have you guys been watching the TikTok videos of the East Tennessee disaster? I don't even think Western North Carolina has had anything posted yet, because they don't even have internet or power in most of their places up there. But East Tennessee, I've been seeing these come through. It's crazy how that water just came in, and it even floated away tractors. I didn't even know tractors could float. I went to the river. I think it's about 3 to 5 miles from me here. I went down there to see the damage yesterday, and it had taken the stones that are in the waters and literally piled them up in piles. And I'm like, how does that even happen? Videos of houses floating down the river. It's just been a time here. So I appreciate you guys so much. I know you guys have probably been through some natural disasters that would blow my mind, but this has literally, when I see roads completely gone and like it's just a big mud pile and the road is like washed down, you're just like, I didn't even know water could do that. I did it. I'm 53 years old and I haven't seen stuff like this before. So I just wanted to come on here just a minute, let you guys know I appreciate everything that you're doing. I'm going to put the GoFundMe in here in the event that you want to share. If you haven't yet, like I said, 100% of the donations are going to go to these people directly. And I know the volunteer fire departments around here are doing a lot fund. I've heard that Samaritan's Purse is in North Carolina. I know that one of our needy centers here that help the homeless and the people that need food supplies got washed out. So We're funding other ones that are coming up and trying to fill in where that food center has been completely wiped out. So just keep us in your prayers. Keep a humble heart about what these people are going through here. And, wherever so many people are suffering just because of this one hurricane. And I just don't know why it came all the way up and hit the middle states like it did. Okay, I'm quit saying that, but it was just unbelievable. But I appreciate you guys hanging on here with me just a minute. Please know that you guys are in my prayers too. And anyone affected by this, I'm just praying that the Holy Spirit will cover us all and give us that peace and a knowing of the best ways to move. How can we help the most, right? So thank you all. I hope you guys have a great, things are going to be better. I say it all the time, life only gets better from here. But, we have these setbacks. And then I believe it's an opportunity for us to help people as much as we possibly can. The more you give, the more you receive. I'm a huge believer in that. I know that each one of you that have done these donations, whether it be $5 or $500, I'm telling you, it's going to be put to work and you are going to receive 100 times that back. I'm a believer. I'm sorry. I can't help it. I have all the faith in giving because of what it's done in my life. And I hope that you're having the same experience. So I wanted to say hello, tell you all to have a great week. And you know what? Hang in there because it only gets better from here, right? Thank you guys. And I want you to have a great week and I will see you in the next video.